I was right.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Giving you a playlist.
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarms for transmitters in the Florida listening area from Ruskin, Florida. This also tests the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threats. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast for the WXK83 listening area for the following
Okay, want to know something insane? WWG59 decided to be off the air during the test, so I had to work around it and do WXK83 today. So we're gonna check the radios I had set for WXK83 because you know the ones that are still on channel 1 are not gonna go off. So here's the ER50 first on WR400. Again, they're all on WXK83. Here's the HH as usual. This is always on WXK83 though. R1630 I decided to put on WXK for the course of action. See, look at the Radio Shack. And the 300. So we're gonna wait till 6 and hopefully WWG59 will be back on the air again by then. So anyways, stay tuned for that.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, your 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes our weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Well, this didn't get it, so that'll probably show check reception soon. Oh well. Well, I'm not going to be checking any radios for this test because WWG59 is still off the air, so I hope y'all enjoyed and see you next time.